So you have a Honda Rebel 500 and you overfilled it accidentally at the gas tank, and now your bike randomly jerks and shuts off and doesn't start, and you don't know what to do, and the dealership can't figure it out. I'm going to go ahead and show you what to do. So first, when you open the fuel tank on these bikes, you're going to notice that this is the filler neck and this is the overflow vent. This vents gases from the gas tank out into the purge valve and then back into the engine to reduce emissions. Thank you, California. Now, when you overfill and you spill some in here, it's going to go in here, and that's going to end up getting into your charcoal canister. Now, where's the charcoal canister on the Rebel 500? No one makes a video on this. It's actually, if you come down here to the back of the bike, right here. There's your charcoal canister, right here. This whole piece right here behind your chain. Hang on, let me get down here. This whole piece behind your chain is your charcoal canister. Now, what you're gonna do is, if you're almost 100% positive you overfilled your bike, and that's what's causing your issue, you're gonna pull this little piece off, just like this. Try not to break it, but you're gonna yank her off of here. You're gonna yank that little piece right there off, and a bunch of gas is gonna come pouring out onto the ground. And then what you're gonna do is, I recommend doing this after your last ride. You're gonna pull this off and you're gonna leave it off for 12 hours to let all that gas drip out, and then let that charcoal dry out a little bit, because it holds on to that moisture, it traps that moisture, and that's what's causing your bike to flood. Now, this is only a temporary fix. Most times I recommend swapping your charcoal canister out for a new one, just to be safe and certain that the issue is gone. But 90% of the time, this is the root cause of your Honda Rebel 500 flooding. And why does this happen? This happens because they use the same purge valve, charcoal canister, and venting system on the 500 that they use on the 300, which has been proven to have issues. This bike does not handle overfilling very well at all. Most bikes usually do. You usually overfill it on accident and it'll be fine, but for some reason the Rebel platform just does not like being overfilled. If that doesn't fix your problem, I'd recommend explaining everything I just told you to the dealership that you bought your bike from, or get your bike serviced at, and then have a mechanic professionally replace your charcoal canister and your EVAP lines, just to make sure everything's running smoothly. But 9 times out of 10, that is going to fix your problem. Anyways, thank you for watching. Now you know what to do, and I hope you don't end up spiraling like I did.